Hey y'all, so boom. I know y'all been waiting on this moment to happen. I've been waiting too. I've really been dreading it, but let's get here. We finna go running today, and y'all gonna come along with me, okay?
We're doing
2 miles.
2 miles. Yeah, 2 miles.
Who?
We doing 2 miles.
We?
Yeah.
I'm gonna call y'all back. This actually is insane. But I ain't gonna never see these people again a day of my life. It's cool. It's stupid. It's stupid. We supposed to be like them. Eating elotes and macasitos with the Nutella in the middle. Oh my God. My pancreas. We can ride the horse back.
Somebody behind you.
It's okay. My stomach. My shoe on top. My shoe on top. Wait a minute. Baby, my pancreas. It hurt. Babe. Oh my God. Why you wanna leave me? I'ma do it.
Alright, come on.
But hold on. Wait a minute. Let me breathe. Jesus. Wait. This is a turn, ain't it? I just a turn. Oh, let's ride the horse. Let's ride the horse, babe. Casado. I think that's horse. I don't know. He said something like that. I'm gonna call y'all back. Hold on. Send help. Ah! But y'all, I finished it. Average price was like 16, 17 minutes. I really don't recommend, but I'm gonna do it again tomorrow. Because, yeah, it's hot. It is what it is. I'd rather scroll and hold hands and eat elotes. But I guess I'll call y'all back tomorrow.